Hey there, and this is my video for Cult of Mush's channel. It's live, but it's scripted, so don't worry. Starting off with my peripherals, I have two monitors, a great 1080p display from Acer, and another one that is a used eMachines display that's around 980p. It's not bad considering that that it's around 10 years old. Here I have an ergonomic keyboard from Microsoft, and other than old, it's not bad. I get around 40 words per minute on it compared to my laptop's keyboard, which I get around 60 words per minute on. The mouse is an old wireless Dynex mouse, but I love it and I haven't had a problem with it since the 2 years I've owned it. Please don't pay attention to the mouse pad, I've been meaning to replace that. The speakers are also salvaged from the same computer the monitor is, but they perform fairly well. Right now I'm recording on a 1080p webcam, which is meant for Skype calls. Now, to the real deal. To house my beastly gaming rig, I'm using an NZXT Source 220, which has 2 fans and toolless drive bays. For the CPU, I'm using a great i5-4460, which is an very aggressive processor for just $190 on Newegg. On top of that, I have a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, which is unexceptional, but quality. My motherboard is an H97 ATX motherboard from MSI, which is great, just like my previous AMD MSI motherboard. Ironically, I have 2 sticks of 1866 megahertz AMD memory, which I used because I used to have an AMD build and it needed the speed. My hard drives consist of a slow SanDisk 128GB SSD, which is right here, and a 1 terabyte Caviar Blue, which is right here. My power supply is a modular 500-watt power supply from Corsair, and it gets the job done with the very cool and very efficient graphics card and CPU. And finally, the graphics card. This is an MSI GTX 970 OC edition, which runs like a beast. It's cool, effective, and sips very little power. Looking at cable management, I didn't do so good. This case doesn't have a lot of room on the back, and some of the cords are too short or too stiff. Plus, I suck at cable management. If you look right here, you'll notice I didn't plug the USB 3.0 port in the front, but that's just because I was too tired to do so after I spent 2 hours trying to install the CPU cooler. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to check out my channel, PC Enthusiast, we have PlanetSide 2 and pixel art content. We will be releasing a build guide soon, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you next time.